Manifest money with God. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Manifest money with God. Every opportunity that I have ever been involved with talks about how to manifest money. Just a couple of the suggestions I have been taught: reset your financial thermostat, perform daily affirmations, visualize your success, there are plenty more. Can you really manifest money into your life? Not in the physical sense. If you wake up in the morning and perform your daily affirmations and wish to manifest money, tons of money won't magically show up on your doorstep. The universal laws do not work this way. However, if you understand the laws that are in place and live by these laws, you can manifest money, or anything you desire to experience. Now, every thought you have is energy. Your thoughts and feelings will mingle with the universal law, and then the law starts to reflect back to you an exact replica of your inner you. Try and think about yourself being in the future. Whatever you feel about in your life today is the building blocks that you will experience next week or next month. You will eventually catch up with the experience you created, and you will only then need to fill in the minor details. Reset your financial thermostat. When I first joined the Carbon Copy Pro community, the CEO sent me a video talking about how to reset your financial thermostat. This technique is not about positive thinking, but more about applying specific action steps to start manifesting money into your life. I.e. remembering you are the only person responsible for your success, realizing you will never earn more than you think you're worth, associating with other successful people, you must leave your comfort zone, take a personal inventory of your financial beliefs. Remember this, you can make excuses or you can make money, you can't make both. Donald Trump. Start using affirmations daily to get the universal laws set into motion. You should be using an affirmation daily. Every morning before I head out the door, I say this affirmation and truly believe it. You can use it untouched or change it up a bit. This day, I thankfully accept all the good things that are coming my way. This day is full of excitement, love, energy, health and prosperity. This day, people are calling on me to be of service to them, and I respond by giving them my very best. This day, I accept the abundance and prosperity that is mine and willing share it. This day, I will spend in total enjoyment of my surroundings. This day, I spend in grateful appreciation of all that is mine. This day, I celebrate. This daily ritual will start working on your subconscious and help you to manifest money into your life. Yes, it is possible to manifest money into your life. It just takes discipline and daily commitment. What you think about today will manifest itself at a later perfect time in your life. In order for you to experience it, you just need to create the experience you wish to have, and then when it presents itself, you will only need to fill in the minor details. To your success, manifest secret. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.